Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Elise if you're new here, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I think I'm just going to let you guys sit back and enjoy the music and the cleaning. And I hope that you find this motivating and that it helps you to get going on cleaning your house today. So enjoy the music, guys. I did just want to mention these Ugg boots really quick. When I am storing my Ugg boots over the spring and summer months when I don't need to use them, I do shove old washcloths that we don't use inside of them to help them keep their shape. But if you'd like to see a before photo and after photo of these boots when I cleaned them just the other morning, go ahead and go over to Instagram and follow me there and check that out. It's just at One Feisty Mama. And I thought these boots were done for. I wore them in the snow last year. We took some friends up to the mountains when they came to visit and wore them in the snow like a ding dong because I didn't want to buy snow boots and totally regretted it. I thought they were ruined, and I was able to get them clean yesterday with some baby soap, water, and a soft bristle brush. So if you'd like to see those before and after photos, go over there. I wish I had vlogged it, but I do have the photos on my Instagram. And I cleaned these the morning that I filmed this cleaning video, so I'm just letting them dry still in the box. They're mostly dry, but just the top part of the front of the shoe is a little bit damp still, so I'm giving them as much time to air dry as possible, so I'm just leaving them out in the kitchen for now. Also, when we have company coming into town, I like to give the kitchen a quick wipe down and make sure that there isn't food left behind anywhere. So today I'm doing all the appliances and the countertops like I probably would normally do for my daily cleaning, but I'm also going to give the cabinets a quick wipe down.
so familiar deep inside, like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine, like the stars had all aligned. I lay beside today, tonight, your vibe, desire, our eyes on fire. And I breathe your aura, cannot leave your aura. You have me like gravity. You don't have to try it, it's just like a magnet. You have me like gravity. You have me like gravity. You have me like gravity. You just like it, like it's just like a magnet.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
my way back to you, until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone, until you find your way back home. Until you find your way back home.
Okay guys, almost done with everything that I needed to complete for today before my parents come into town. So if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and head over to Instagram as well to follow me there. I do daily updates there in between my vlogs, so if you need some extra motivation or life hacks or just want to know what's going on in our day-to-day lives, go ahead and follow me there, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.